Backed by thermal imaging technology, the eye display thermometer is a touchless, frictionless, and accurate method of temperature measurement that can recognize individuals with or without masks. Within a matter of 2 seconds, the eye display thermometer is able to read body temperatures and alert users and designated associates if they have a fever. With thermal imaging powered by the Hyman sensor, the eye display thermometer can recognize and capture different levels of infrared light to accurately and rapidly detect temperature. The eye display thermometer facial detection not only facilitates contactless temperature taking, but also allows for facial capturing, used to relay data and images of users with a fever. This feature enables seamless management in high traffic locations. Eye display thermometer can be synced with automatic doors or ticketing systems to restrict entry access to people who have a fever. Floor standing and countertop models fit the needs of specific locations and heights of visitors. Hand sanitizer and ticket dispenser accessories are also available. By eliminating the need for dedicated personnel, the eye display thermometer is a cost-efficient and reliable alternative to dedicated staff. Outform's non-contact infrared thermometers will enable our partners